my friends. Now it's time for math. We are going to do a little class on a fluency sprint. Now the key behind the sprint that Ms. Valasheen has uploaded to the PDF files for your mommies and daddies is to be fluent and to be fast and to be automatic. So eventually, I'd like you to try to maybe even have mommy and daddy time you and see how quickly you can answer all of the problems. Show them what great problem solvers and thinkers you are. Okay, but for right now, we're going to talk about, you might have this paper in front of you. I am going to write it on the whiteboard. If you'd like to follow me with your whiteboard and do it the way I'm doing it, that is fine. But if you have the paper, the actual worksheet in front of you, you can fill it in as we go. You would already have the equation written, and all you need to fill in the mystery box is your answer. So I don't have that in front of me right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to write out the problem. So the first problem is the number 2, and then there's a plus sign, and then the number 1. What comes after 2 plus 1? What do we need next? We need a symbol, equal sign. And then here's our mystery box. And we're going to fill in our mystery box with the answer. So again, if you have to draw a picture, that's okay to solve the problem. I always encourage that. If I want to, maybe let's do circles because they're fast, they're easy. 2 circles underneath, and then 1 more. How many does that make all together? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. And let's talk about how we draw the number 3. Around the tree, around the tree. That's the way to make a 3. Very good. Erase your board. And now we're going to do the next one. Now we're going to do 2, half a moon, slide to the right. There's more to do. That's the way to make a 2. Minus sign. Oh, we're switching it up. I'm trying to trick you. Do you think I can trick you? I don't think I can. Then draw the number 1, line down, and you're done. That's the number 1. What comes next? We need the equal sign so that it makes sense. And then we need our mystery box. And now, if you need to draw a picture, it would look like this. We're going to only draw 2 circles because this is subtraction and this is different than addition. And now I start with 2. I'm going to take away 1. How am I going to show that I take something away? X it out. Put a big rubber band around what's left. What's left? There's only 1 circle. So that's what goes in my mystery box. Let's read the equation together. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Okay, erase your board. And now we're going to do 3 plus 1 equals, I think that you can do this without the picture or the drawing because we say 1 more than 3 is 4, right? That's what comes next. Line down, line over, line down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Erase your board. Let's see if I can give you one more tougher equation. How about, let's go up a little bit. 4, line down and over, line down once more. That's the way to make a 4. Minus 1 equals, what is it? What's 1 less than 4? 1 less than 4 is 3. Around the tree, that's the way to make a 3. Okay, erase your boards. And Ms. Valasheen will be back with more math for you very shortly.